Alrighty, it's Monday morning, and what the hell is going on here? How good does that look? So I've got a new project with a friend of mine, and the way that I'm approaching it is I'm using a much bigger open kit on this side. So these are all 22s, those are rides. It's a 22 Exist Ride Arc Brilliant Crash. Then I've got the 15-inch hats here, 13, 16, 22 by 14, and a lower main snare. And then over here, as a contrast, I've got 10, 14, 20, 18, 20, and then an Exist Dry Dark ride. And the point is that I set up my 2 mic on this side. So what I'm laying down for him, what I'm demoing, I'll demo on this as the main kit. But what I wanted to do in real time was to lay down some distant drums and some of my rhythms set up. And then I'll just add a lot of compression to the side afterwards, but do it all in real time. So that's the plan. I'm going to lay down about 4 different ideas today and use this as a contrast and then have it coming through.